Hi there, I'm CJ and welcome to a video. And you see this beautiful slime, right? Well, if you hit that like button and subscribe button, you'll be entered in a giveaway to get this beautiful slime. Woo. This is so beautiful. I love it. And yes, I have made it myself, don't worry. But trust me, I had an expert with me who helped me make it. And I love it. It has little slime balls and it has this thing put into it that makes it so good. And by the way, it does have borax. So if you are allergic to borax, do not, please do not, if you win this, play with it. So comment down below if you think this slime is better. Well, this slime or this slime. It's really nice. Comment down below which one is your favorite slime. I know this one looks really bad and terrible, but it is actually really nice, and yes, it is a really, really good quality. Don't judge a book by its cover, and I know this one looks so bad and ugly, but it feels so nice. Glitters and I love it. Get it. R.I.P. my hand. I've got it all over my hand. But then we have this beautiful green slime. It's magnificent. 1 second, I have to go wash my hands now. Ugh. Don't mind that cord thing, that's just my headphones. Because I'm not wearing it. I'm wearing them, but then I haven't plugged it in to my phone yet. Wait. Also, my name in Roblox is Tada, I'm awesome, with a capital D and a capital A. Not with the I'm bit. There's no capital in that. Friend me and I will give you a free jungle pet. That's right, I'll give you a free jungle pet if you friend me. TADDAIMAWESEMO. I mean E instead of an O. I probably said that wrong anyway. But ta-da, I am awesome with capital T and a capital A. Oh damn, this thing's good. Ooh, weird. I'm probably just making the slime look bad. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Anyway, so if you want to win this beautiful slime, this crazy good slime, even though it looks really bad, this magnificent masterpiece. Don't worry, it comes off very easily. 1 second, let me just open this up. Ew. What? Oh my god, it looks so bad. It looks so bad and so good at the same time. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Don't worry, you'll be able to take it out. Is the camera blurry? I bet it's blurry again. But look how good it looks. And it feels amazing. Let me touch it. And it stuck to me. Probably didn't get my hand this time. Do you know how many spillage of this and this thing? Don't worry, this thing doesn't leave a mark. But look, I'm gonna clean up this so many times. Mom's gonna yell at me if she finds out how many times I have to be cleaning this up. What? Anyway, don't forget, friend me on Roblox. Today I'm awesome, and I'll give you a free jungle pet. And like and subscribe, and comment down below which one is your favorite slime to enter a giveaway. Oh, and don't forget, #SlimeSquad to be featured in my next video. Whoops. Bye.